Dear ones, Assalamu alaikum. Afghanistan is a landlocked country. According to encyclopedia, it has resources like oil, gas, uranium, gold, and coal, etc. Maybe deep down the earth or inside the mountains. To get them out, finances, technology, execution, etc. are required. Since long we are seeing Afghanistan as a country poorer than us. As of now, just over 500 US dollars per capita against ours, which is about $1,400 plus. Fruits, citrus, non-citrus, dry, variety of narcotics, and export of manpower are their main source of income. Britain invaded Afghanistan in 1837 and then in 1878, known as First and Second Anglo-Afghan Wars, gained nothing, lost much. They themselves called it as disaster. In 1979 came the Soviets, the second biggest power of the day, and left after 9 years, having lost 15,000 soldiers at the hands of the Afghans and Stinger missile. Why did they come? Then came 9/11, followed by Tora Bora and killing of Osama bin Laden. In 2011, the bombing of World Trade Center had been avenged. Probably the ego was not yet satisfied. The Americans and their allies started landing in the target country to stay there for good 10 long years, losing more than 2,500 soldiers, spending trillions of dollars, and inflicting over 300,000 casualties on Afghanistan. They are now saying bye bye to them. History tells us that Afghans came down from Babur to Abdali to Aurangzeb and so on because there was wealth downtown. Those who went up there found nothing. Instead, paid heavy prices, never subjugated, but even then, except 40 years rule of Zahir Shah, Afghans by and large have remained in turmoil. Weapon and ammunition is to Afghans as dollar is to Americans. They see them, count them, carry them, feel protected, and enjoy. Now they claim to have achieved independence. Pray that they make best out of it. Pashtuns, Tajiks, Uzbek or Hazaras, all united. If they fight amongst each other, the winners will become masters and the losers slaves. Independence thus achieved might evaporate. Question, however, lurks in the mind of a commoner like me. What is so lucrative about Afghanistan that attracts every big part of our times? Is it due to an unknown fear of Islamization? Question mark. Akhtar Majid, The Affectionate, August 2021, Lahore.